At Juilliard Extension, our composition certificate offers composers a way to develop and express their creative voice with the instruction and support of Juilliard faculty and musicians. Students can engage with the program in a way that fits their lives, fully online, in person here at Lincoln Center, or through a hybrid approach. We focus on craft, compositional structure, notation, orchestration, and always in service of each student's individual voice.
You're not just writing in isolation, you're constantly collaborating with other artists, getting feedback, and refining your work. I came in with ideas, but this program helped me turn them into fully realized pieces performed by Juilliard musicians.
This program is a fit for so many different kinds of people. I have students from many different backgrounds with different levels of experience in music. This program really meets them where they're at, allows them to flourish and develop as an artist and a creator.
Hearing my music performed here by Juilliard musicians completely changed what I believed I was capable of as a composer.
Realize your potential as a composer at Juilliard Extension.